What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And I think we always review different movies, dramas, and whatever. But I really wanted to share that how my journey started watching uh, Korean movies and drama. It was summer of 2001. I just came back and I saw my sisters were all glued to the screen, and I was surprised that the voice that comes, it doesn't sound our accent or language. So they were watching this drama and they say it's very funny what they are doing it. They didn't know the language and they don't know the actors, and moreover they didn't know what what the synopsis is. Randomly they just started watching it. So this is how I sit down and learn from them that what is happening. And then they told me that there are some people, those who are working in the hotel industry, and there is a fun and politics going on, and you will really enjoy it. And I said, okay, let's see what it is. So that was my beginning in 2001, watching Hotelier. And the cast, if you will, you already know the cast. And imagine that the very next year also, a very remarkable and outstanding, unforgettable and still refreshing and evergreen drama came from that actor. And moreover, the actress, she also gave the what is that? Winter Sonata came the next year, and then the Descendant of the Sun. Both actors were there. So Hotelier was a drama all about President Chui. I still remember a little bit. I will just recall it. What happens? So President Chui got a heart attack, and his hotel, a big fictional. What? Huh?
Can I have Kit Kat?
Ask them how much it is. Okay, get the candies also.
From each one. Okay. Maybe 5.
So President Chui got a heart attack, and what happened? His wife, who has no managerial skills and she has never been to business, and his son was always busy in partying, and he is just enjoying his own life because he is just taking granted for whatever they are earning or whatever they are getting. Suddenly, this shocks his wife, President Chui, because President Chui's friend bought many shares to take over his business, and thus he is already on a deathbed. And imagine that how the family can tackle all this. So all those people, those who are in the industry, they are youngsters, and their previous manager, he was sent back, or maybe he was forced to sign a resignation, and he went away because of some conspiracy or whatever happened. So now President Chui's wife, she said that we have to work on it and really get that man back, because he is the one who knows in and out of my husband's business rivals and what they are doing. So now what happens is that they are trying their level best to work and form a team, and they send the one delegation so that who can talk to the investors, angel investors, so that they can take the shares. And the share, after buying the shares, they were really wanted to take a control of their business, otherwise it will go to his rival group. So that's how I started watching this drama, and I hope you will really enjoy it. And the next one was also best, because one after another I will tell you everything that whatever we watched it. It's imagine that it is like 20 years back when we were in schools and we started watching all this. And I hope you will really enjoy it. So kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of memory, and the good thing is also I will share it, and I hope you will really understand some of the things that how cross-cultural movies and dramas will fascinate you, and you will really learn a new language. Means learning a new language means it will give you a new soul, and yes, sometimes your soul is in soul. So you can like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications, and you will really enjoy if you will watch this even on OTT network or wherever you will watch it. You will love it. And we'll review the next one later. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.